वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो आज हम अपने बच्चे को कैपिटल बी लिखना सिखाएंगे। तो चलिए, कैन यू सी किड्स, दिस इज लेटर बी, दिस इज लेटर बी। तो हम कैसे लिखेंगे बी को, और हमने जब भी लिखना है बी को और साथ में उसका फोनिक साउंड बी बोलना है। फोनिक साउंड क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट है मैंने बता दिया ऑलरेडी। जैसे हम बी का साउंड ब एट, बी ब, ए टीट, ब एट, क एब, कैब। सी का साउंड क, ए का ए और बी का ब। तो चलिए लेट्स स्टार्ट। हाउ टू राइट लेटर बी, हाउ टू राइट लेटर बी। हम बी लेटर कैसे लिखेंगे? बी ब बॉल, बी ब बॉल। तो चलिए किड्स, मेक अ standing line, make a standing line, and then make a right curve. Very good. And again now make a right curve. This is our letter B, b, ball. Again kids, let's see. Make a standing line, make a right curve, and now again make a right curve. B b ball. तो चलिए, do practice with me. Make a standing line and then make a half circle and again make a half circle. Very good. Now make a standing line and now make a right curve and again make a right curve. B b ball, B b ball, B b ball, B b ball, B b bat, B b book, B b butterfly. Very good. Now kids, look at these worksheets. Look at right, look and right. Now which picture is this? Can you tell me which picture is this? Very good. This is picture of a apple. A apple. तो आपको मैंने पहले करवाया है हाउ कैन राइट लेटर ए, मेक अ स्लैंटिंग लाइन and again make a slanting line in other side. Okay, and now make a sleeping line. This is our letter a apple, a apple. Now again look at this picture. This is b ball. So how can we write b ball? Make a standing line and then make a right curve and again make a right curve. This is our b ball. तो चलिए एक बार रिविजन करेंगे। a apple, a apple, b ball, b ball. Very good kids. Now look at next worksheet. Match with same letter. Which letter is this? A apple. On other hand, where is a apple? Is it? No. Is it? Yes. So match with same letter. Very good. And now which is letter is this? This is letter B. Where is letter B? This is our letter B, ball. Look and match. Look at these pictures and match. A apple, B ball. And now again look and write first letter. A apple, a x. So how can we write A? Make a slanting line and again make a slanting line and now sleeping line. This is our letter A apple. And now B balloon, B ball. So now How can we write B, B? Make a standing line and now right curve and again make a right curve. A apple, B, B, ball. Now kids, encircle letter B. Encircle letter B. B, B, balloon. B, B, balloon. Now where is letter B? Is it letter B? No. तो चलिए, is it letter B? Yes. Very good. Can you find where are B letter? Where are letter B? Wow. Very good. Is this letter B? Is this letter B? Is this letter B? Now our kids are able to write letter A and letter B. A apple, B ball. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.